To use the agent skills, just within the Gemini CLI or other CLI, press the character and choose the desired skill name from the available ones. In this specific case, the image prompt generator skill is being used, providing the brief idea with or without string quotes. As you can see, the generation starts and the generated image prompt is saved into the stories folder using the current time. Then the image generator skill is used, providing the previously saved image prompt file or any other previously saved. Then you can see the Flux image generation service is started after any other related services are stopped, and the generated image is saved in the same stories folder. After that, the video prompt generator skill is used, providing the previously saved image prompt file, and the video prompt is saved. Then the video generator skill is executed by providing the video prompt and the image previously generated. In this case, the LTX video generation service is used and started, and the video is saved once finished.